Kinamagi and Ireland and Dijnikas, and welcome to the reading of the Mystery 7 assessment. This video is intended to provide a reading of the assessment for students who desire that reading. You are not obligated to continue through with this video. Also, you may use this video to go along with the paper or Google Form copies of the assessment. The first thing you should do is put your name on here, and please use your correct name. If you put names like Ritz, Burger King, or Lifesaver, that's great, but I won't know who you are. So before we go on, make sure that you have the assessment open. That may require you to close this video and open the assessment and then restart the video and scroll forward to this point. And I'll give you about 15 or 20 seconds to put your name on it. All right, so the plan for this video is I will read a question along with its choices, and I will wait 10 seconds before reading the next one. That will not be enough time to answer some of these questions. It may be enough time for some, but on questions requiring a written response, it's probably not enough time. What I generally advise is that after I read the question, that you pause the video, answer the question, and then unpause the video. If you need to hear the question again, you can rewind the video slightly and replay it from there, like an old-fashioned audio cassette. I will try to remind you over the questions to go ahead and pause. But here we go with number one. When an apple falls to the ground, what is happening? A, gravity pushes the apple up away from Earth. B, gravity pulls the apple down towards the Earth. C, magnetism pushes the apple up away from the Earth. Or D, magnetism pulls the apple down towards the Earth. Remember, if you need time to think, you can pause the video. Number two, which of the following statements about gravity and magnetism is not true? A, gravity and magnetism are both invisible forces. B, gravity and magnetism both pull on objects. C, gravity pulls everything, but magnetism only pulls magnetic objects. Or D, gravity pulls only magnetic objects, but magnetism pulls everything. If you need time to think, remember to pause the video and then unpause it when you're ready to move on. Question 3. Which of the following planets has the most gravity and which has the least gravity? And use this picture of planets A, B, C, and D as your reference. A, planet A has the most gravity and planet B has the least gravity. B, planet D has the most gravity and planet A has the least gravity. C, planet A has the most gravity and planet D has the least gravity. Or D, planet C has the most gravity and planet D has the least gravity. If you need time to think, remember to pause the video and then unpause when you're ready. Let's go ahead to question 4. If you are standing on the surface of the moon, why can you jump higher than you can here on Earth? Support your answer with reasoning. You will need to pause the video in order to have enough time to type this question, questions to answer. You may pause the video now and return when you are ready for the next question. Question number 5. A friend calls you from the South Pole. They're worried that if they jump, gravity will pull them off the Earth into space. Do you think they should be worried? Why or why not? Notice, drawing not to scale. I hope not. That guy's like 1,000,000,000 feet tall. Remember to pause the video and type in your answer. You may choose to either hit submit after typing your answer and then close out the video. Or if you return, I will be reminding you to hit submit. You may pause the video now. Welcome back. Hopefully this has gone well for you. At the end of this video, you're going to hit submit on your Google form. If you're in class with a paper copy, you can turn it in the bin. If you're planning on turning in on the next school day, please let me know and I will see it when you arrive. So you may hit submit now. Have a Minogisha guide? Minwa, Bama P.